Hi guys, so today Jason and Scott are going to get a new pet. Let's start. I will explain more in the video. I know, boring, huh? Yeah, pretty boring. I think Spot is pretty lonely. Yeah. Maybe we could, just maybe, get a new friend for her. Huh. Not a horrible idea. Yeah, it's not. I even have contact with a shelter who has free dogs. Up for adoption? Yeah. So, 1 second, guys. Sophie! Never mind. Sir, my dog's just right here. Okay, guys. Okay. Maybe we could cheer her up. Okay, I have a plan. Yeah? I'm gonna go to the pet store and see if I can find any dogs. You stay here with Spot and hang out with her. Got it. And I have the perfect way. Spot! Hi. Oh, hi. Do you have any dogs? Yeah, we do. Two little... No cats. And you? Okay, never mind. Let me try the local animal shelter. Hi. Oh, hi. Did you come to adopt a dog? Yeah. Okay, you just need to get down. Huh. A bit too crazy. Oh, God. Too sleepy and... Oh, my God. Too perfect. Oh, so cute. This one. Okay. Name whatever you want. I'm gonna name you. How about Roger? Good choice. Okay, money. Just come to the cash register. Sorry, guys. 1 minute, please. Sorry, guys. I need a moment. One moment, you guys. Just 1 moment. Okay, sorry. Okay. Just need to pay real quick. Pay. Okay. You enjoy your dog. I will. I'm home. Come here. Can you stay right here? Okay. So you just stay right there. Okay, shut that door. What is it? Let the dog out. Aw. His name is, I named him Roger. Good name. I did get to name Spot, so I think this is okay. Oh, you're the cutest little thing ever. Oh, God. He likes the cat more than Spot. When are we going to introduce him? Not tonight, absolutely. We're going to try maybe tomorrow. Okay, look how late it is. Listen. You sleep here. What do we give him to eat in the meantime? Yeah, he needs something to eat. Oh, great. Dino Nuggies? He doesn't want to eat Dino Nuggies. He might actually like the Dino Nuggies. Oh, great. Cook them now. This is a bad idea. We need to give him something. Like Dino Nuggies. I will get him some dog food in the morning. I guess he looks Dino Nuggies. Yeah, that was the last one. How many did we give him? 6. What? We need to give him a water bowl. It's not the best, but it has something for the meantime. Hour bowls? Okay, never mind. So guys didn't really know how that would work. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna try this bowl now, sorry. Okay. Some water in. Okay, let's go to bed. Aww. Hi, baby. Okay, we'll go in the morning. Okay. Can you get the food tomorrow morning? Yes. The next day. Also, guys, just to let you know, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. Okay. It's time to go. Hi. Hi. Okay, just... What would a dog like? Maybe let's get... okay, guys, pretend I didn't do that, please. So I have a bag. I just need a ball, dog food, and maybe some treats for Spot. I can buy a bed eventually. I think that's the tree anyway. Can you pay real quick? Okay, pay. Now it's time to go. Okay, guys, I just need to get rid of this real quick. My sister did this. Sorry about this. Just need to get rid of all these people. Sorry. I apologize. Okay. I'm back. Now it's just time to head up. Okay, here. Got you something, little buddy. And I got you. And I got you some food. I just gotta get you a bowl. Ball. Well, you're a fetch pro. And here's some food. Okay, I'll be right back now, little one. Did you get more food for Spot? Yeah, he was really hungry, so he ate a lot today. So, do you want to introduce him? Yep. Okay. Slowly. Wait. Oh no. They're afraid of each other, aren't they? Oh yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I will make a part 2 later today. Please enjoy, like, and subscribe. And Jaybird out.